Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to teach you how to draw your own eyebrow like microblading. So if you want to have that feel of microblading but with eye pencil, you should stick around to the very end. Please guys, I just want to say click on that subscribe button to be a part of this wonderful community if you're just stumbling on my channel. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for always supporting your girl. Thanks for always stopping by. Don't forget to click that like button, comment, share to your friends, share to your family. Thank you. Thanks for watching to this point. If you're yet to click on that subscribe button, please click on that subscribe button to be a part of this community. Also click on that notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I make a new post. Like, comment. I want to hear your thoughts about this. Share to your friends, share to your family. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you also watch other of my videos. Check out the other videos on this channel that you will definitely like. Thank you so much and have a great day.